This is Preeti. We are here with the another question of exercise 10.5, page number 184, question number 7. If diagonals of a cyclic quadrilateral are diameter of the circle through the vertices of the quadrilateral, prove that it is a rectangle. So we have to prove that ABCD is a rectangle. This one we have to prove. First of all, we are going to take the two pairs of the triangle. The first one we are going to take the triangle AOD and the triangle COB. Now the another pair will be the triangle DOC and the triangle AOB. Now we'll start with this one. AO is equal to OC and OD is equal to OB. They both are the radius of the circle. Now the angle AOD is equal to the angle COB. Why? Because they are vertically opposite angles. Now the triangle AOD is congruent to the triangle COB by side congruence rule. Now comes to this one. Now in this one, OD is equal to OB and OA is equal to OC. Both of them are radius, and the angle DOC is equal to the angle AOB. Why? Because they are vertically opposite angles. So the triangle DOC is congruent to the triangle AOB by side congruence rule. Now these two pair of triangles are congruent to each other. So the angle OAD, this one is equal to the angle OCB by CPCT. The angle OAD, this one, and the angle OCB, this one, they both are equal to each other. Now in this triangle, the angle ODC, this one, is equal to the angle OBA, this one, by CPCT. Now both these two angles are equal to each other. So we are going to write here. So AD is parallel to BC. Why? Because angle OAD and the angle OCB are alternate interior angles with AC as transversal. Same here. AB is parallel to CD. Why? Because the angle ODC and the angle OBA are alternate interior angles with transversal. This side transversal is AC and this side the transversal is BD. So AD is parallel to BC and AB is parallel to CD. So with the both of them, hence ABCD is a quadrilateral. Now if this one is a quadrilateral, then the opposite angles of the parallelogram are equal. So we are going to write here the angle ABC plus angle DC, they are equal to 180 degree, and this is the equation number 1, and the angle ABC is equal to the angle ADC. This one is equation number 2. So we are going to write here from equation 1 and 2, angle ABC is equal to 90 degree, and the angle ADC, this one is also equal to 90